Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 39 of Beginner Course. As you can see from the title, this will be the final lesson in the Beginner Course. Today, we will not cover new techniques. I want you to consider this as a graduation ceremony to wrap up everything we covered so far. Throughout these 38 lessons, we've gone step by step, from understanding what you can make with leather work, gathering tools, cutting leather, hand stitching, and attaching hardware. And I've received a comment from viewers saying I've started leather work following this beginner course. That kind of feedback have been incredibly motivating for me, and it's what kept me going this beginner course. So thank you so much for all your support. I've also received a question like, I've watched all the beginner course, what should I watch next? I know that once you start leather work, you want to keep improving and learning new techniques. However, before rushing into new techniques, I highly recommend rewatching the beginner course from the beginning. Honestly, not just once, 5 to 10 times. That's how important the lessons in this course are. Even now when I make leather goods, about 70% of the technique I use are covered in this beginner course. Mastering basics is crucial if you want to make high quality leather goods. No matter how many new techniques you learn, your work will not reach to the advanced level unless you master the basics. So for at least 6 months, I recommend practicing the techniques from this course. Of course, this is just a guideline. It depends on how often you practice and how quickly you absorb the skills. The key is to keep using these techniques in your project until they feel completely natural. Moving forward, I will release the new patterns and tutorials to help you continue your practice. And for those wondering if this is the end of the tutorial style videos, it's not. Starting next time, the intermediate course will begin. In this course, we will level up by making wallets, simple bags, and more advanced leather goods. I will also introduce deeper knowledge and techniques to help you refine your craftsmanship. But please keep in mind, the beginner techniques are most important foundation. Everything in the intermediate course builds upon what we covered here. So please make sure you've mastered the basics before moving forward. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this course, please give me a like and subscribe for more leathercraft tips. I will see you in the intermediate course. Bye.